a little hard work and determination, that nut will be ours.
Andy, why don't we just get free nuts from the nut shop like everyone else?
Does anybody else think that's a good idea?
Yeah, I do.
No, it's a terrible idea.
Ooh.
Come on, guys. We're wild animals. Living off the nut shop is unnatural.
But their products are 100% organic.
Now, who thinks we should go get that nut? Guys, this is when you're supposed to put your hands up.
Right. Okay.
That's better. Now, pay attention because this will be on the test. Remember, the nut is your friend. It's been waiting its whole life for this. Place your hands at 10 and 2 and gently pull. Gently pull!
Andy, will this be on the test?
Please hold all questions until the end of the demonstration.
The nut shop's looking better and better.
See, class, hard work always pays off. See? That wasn't so bad. Now we can squirrel that nut away for the winter.
Who wants to go to the nut shop?
Johnny, got the Arlene! To be close behind. Official eating contest rules are in full effect. Any regurgitory reversals will result in disqualification.
Attaboy, Johnny! Show those nuts who's boss!
Are you joking? An eating contest?
What? It's good for morale.
Surly.
Hold that cranky response.
I got you something.
A Brazil nut?
Yeah, it's exotic. I thought you might like.
That's really sweet. I can't believe you saved it for me. But, you know, I won't take food from the nut shop.
Well, that was supposed to play out differently.
Living off the nut shop was okay in the beginning, but look at what it's become.
And Jimmy tries to take the lead with his patented hammerhead technique. What a tremendous effort!
Classic.
This is not what animals do. We work hard, we store, we save. Look at all of you, lazy and spoiled and fat.
Who you calling fat?
Come back to the park, Surly. It's where we belong.